Computer network. When a set of computers are connected to each other to share hardware resources and software resources, it is known as a computer network. Few advantages of computer networks are hardware sharing, software sharing, efficiency of hardware and software resources, reduction in redundancy, paper and time saving, internet sharing, and security. Hardware sharing. Hardware resources like printers, scanners, etc. can be shared among several computers over a network. Software sharing. There is no need to install all the softwares on all the computers in the network. The software can be installed on the server, and the computer in the network can use the software from the server. By software sharing, we save time and cost. Efficiency of hardware and software resources. As the hardware and the software is installed at a single point in the network, any changes or modifications required is done at that single point only. Reduces redundancy. If there is any common data required by all the nodes in the network, it can be stored at a single point in the network and can be shared by all the computers in the network. By this, data duplication or redundancy is reduced. Saves paper and time. People in any organization or workplace can share the official document over the network. Hence, there is no need for every individual to have the hard copy of the same document. By sharing the documents over the network, generating multiple hard copies of the network is reduced. Internet sharing. As the computers are in the network, there is no need of installing internet facility to all the individual computers in the network, which in turn reduces the cost. By internet sharing, all the computers in the network can enjoy the facility of internet. Security. As the server contains all the data, if we secure the data on the server, then all the corresponding data in the network will automatically be safe.